Hello, good day to you traders and welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Stock Market Forecast. As usual, I'll run through four global stock market indices, namely the US stock market. We'll use S&P 500 to represent that. European stock market, we use Euro 50 stock index to represent that. UK stock market, we use the UK 100 stock index to represent that. And Japanese stock market, we use the NIKKEI 225 to represent that. So we're going to analyze these four indices in today's video. Hope you find it useful in your trading and hope you have a happy trading week for this week, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to hit the like button down below on YouTube of this video. If you find it useful, hit the like button. On US 500 for this week, as I said last week, I said I expected this to continue this climb and retest the March high before a big drop will come through, and they have still not started the drop we are looking for. We are looking for a drop similar with this coming through here. They are not yet ready to give us that drop. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, having given the retest of that top, they only gave us this drop, and this drop is equal with this, which means both of them are running flat and they have come back to this trend, to the top. So I expect they will break through the top this week, after which they will revert back to give us the sell we are looking for. I will come down. So we want to look out for this fall this week. It can start from this week. Resume to 1-hour time frame. You watch out for that. This can drop back a bit to give this small running flat and come back upside, break past the top, and then reverse. On Euro 50 stock index for this week, we want to watch as at present after this drop they did a correction and dropped more, which means this was a flat of its own, and this can continue back this climb upside. Although I will expect they will first of all drop to touch this low before this buy momentum will come to give us this flat. So if we zoom to a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, I want to watch at present this is looking like it's going to break through this trend and give us this move. But I would rather this comes to this trend, drops, comes back upside, give us a flat here, and then give us that push that will retest this low before the buy momentum will come through to come back to this top to give us A, B, C for more downside. So we want to watch out for that on Euro 50 this week. On the 1-hour time frame, we watch for price action when they get back to this trend line. On UK 100 for this week, UK 100 stock index, we want to watch out for a potential up pull once they break through this trend line. There's a chance they will make this its own flat before they will drop more downside. Although we expect this drop to continue, although they are not aggressive. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this drop was aggressive. After this correction, they have been sluggish here, telling us a potential reverse out of this trend line is incoming. This potential now exists on UK 100 stock index, although I will still expect them to continue that drop downside. If they give a long corrective structure here, you can see continue the drop to break this low and beyond. So and that is still my bias set up for UK 100. On the 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for that. The sales here were sluggish. We want to see a confirmatory sell, something like this. On Japan 225 Nikkei for this week, Nikkei 225 index, we expected this to start dropping aggressively. The way they are dropping here, they are dropping sluggishly, which could mean that this is a correction for one more retest of this top before they will give us the drop we are looking for. As we saw, you see this as complete A, and this was A, B, C. This was complete impulse. They completed this structure here, so we expected this to start dropping to give us something like that here. They are not yet starting, so we want to watch to see if this will give us a retest of the top. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I expect this to climb up a bit, give us this correction, and continue the downside aggressive sell setup. It's what I'm looking for. Although I am aware that they can give a buy setup, I'm not interested in the buy. So on the 1 hour, watch out for this, and then more downside to come through.